the bus stop. And I wanted to videotape him, but he left. Fucker. Maybe I can see. Where'd he go? Whatever. He's gone. My dog was barking at him. That one. The stupid one.
You stupid little dog. Oh, the family's my favor. And Mama's so cute.
Anywho, I've got drugs in my nose. My nose hurts really bad. But anyway. Okay. That's my garage. Alright, well, I'm bored. And that old man isn't coming back. So, let's go.